Coming up on today's FNN, EK students work on solving global issues.
Plus, woodshop students bring home some big awards.
And we show you just how hard it is to be a Division I athlete. Stay tuned for all that and more because FNN starts now. Happy Friday, Falcons. I'm Kylie Williams.
And I'm Amaya Park.
Congratulations to EK's very own Model United Nations for their opportunity to participate at the Model UN Conference. EK's very own Diego Saldivar had the chance to get a little bit more of an insight on what Model UN is and how their accomplishments are helping to put EK on the map.
Back in April, 22 students from Model UN had the opportunity to travel to Aquinas to compete in the Model UN Conference. Kamani Brames, a freshman a part of Model UN, shares how it went.
It was at Aquinas College, and the first topic we went over was what to do about Boko Haram in Nigeria. And it was a long debate. It took a while, and we had to decide if we were going to have military intervention or just humanitarian intervention.
Another Model UN member, Alexander Griziak, also attended the Model UN conference and shares what it takes to be in Model UN.
It's nice to have previous debate history or skills. I don't have any though. You don't need any. It's helpful, but really you just need to understand the topics and do your research beforehand.
Congrats to all 22 students who participated in this event. We look forward to seeing more of your guys' accomplishments. At EK, I'm Diego Saldivar.
They hope to make victories like this a yearly occurrence.
All week, schools around the country have been celebrating Teacher Appreciation Week, and EK has certainly been a part of the celebrations too. Teachers have had their very own Spirit Week this week, dressing up for retirement, dressing as students, and more. Plus, teachers have been winning raffles daily and taking home prizes such as gift cards, Whitecaps tickets, and Falcon gear. On Wednesday, the teachers had a special lunch catered for them, and they were able to kick back and relax while members of our EK Jazz Band played. For Mr. Gums, Teacher Appreciation Week is a nice reminder of why he went into teaching.
Feels great. I think that most teachers, we just get into education because we want to help kids and we enjoy being around them. So it's always nice to get to feel the love of them a little bit during Teacher Appreciation Week.
Be sure to let your teachers know how much you appreciate them and all of the hard work they have done this year.
Every year, EK Woodshop students enter their best work into the Michigan Industrial Educators Society, or MITES, competition. Their work is then judged to see which students from around the states are true masters of their craft. This year, Thang Mung, James Langosh, and Victoria Woodard had their creations submitted by teacher Mr. Franson. The work ranged from jewelry boxes to tables to even a wooden teddy bear. Victoria and Thang both finished second for their work, and James brought home first place for his bear. For Mr. Franson, this is one of the best times of the year, and his favorite part of being a woodshop teacher is watching his students grow.
Just watching kids that may not understand all the concepts and at the beginning of the year go through and they learn and say, hey, I can actually do stuff and work with my hands and make some really cool projects at the end.
Congrats once again to each student for bringing home a top 3 finish, showing that EK has talented students in every single class.
That does it for your news this week, Falcons.
Now let's pass it over to McKenna Van Overen for her final EK Sports Report.
What's up, Falcons? It's McKenna, and this is your EK Sports Report. The girls' track team finished the regular season undefeated and first in the state, and the boys' track team finished second in the state behind Rockford. The boys and girls track team have moved out of conference season and into postseason meets with the OK Conference meet happening tonight. And to wrap up my final EK Sports Report, I want to showcase the true talent of some of our athletes. Playing sports is hard, but to be a Division I athlete is one of the most difficult things in the world. Less than 7% of high school athletes in America get a chance to perform at the D1 level. So to showcase this, we have a new sports segment where I put our very own Josiah Webb against Penn State commit Kaylin Wiltrout to see how Josiah does against one of the nation's best. Check it out. What's up, guys? This is our new segment where we put one of EK's best against one of our sports reporters. Today we have record-breaking Division I swimmer Kaylin Wiltrout against Josiah. Good, go!
Yeah, so I threw up 0 out of 10. I do not recommend. I'm never doing swimming again.
I felt bad that he threw up. I'm not gonna lie about that one, but it was pretty good. Yeah.
It was a good experience, but I'm never doing that again. It was something that really is not for me. So, yeah.
How do you feel? Honestly, feel pretty great. You know, I think people underestimate how hard swimming is sometimes. So yeah.
That's all I got for you today, Falcons. Now for the last time, let's throw it back to Kylie and Amaya at the desk.
Well, that does it for this week's show and for Amaya's time behind the desk here at FNN. So Amaya, how does it feel being an FNN for the past 2 years?
I feel good that I got the opportunity to be in this class, but I'm very sad I have to go. With that being said, make sure you follow us on Instagram at Falcon News Network and hit that subscribe button on YouTube.
Have a great week and we'll see you back here on Wednesday.